Welcome friends, today we will learn how to create a recipe post using WP recipe maker. So first of all you have to create recipe. For this you have to go Gemini AI and I just type this prompt. I want to create a post on WordPress website using WP recipe maker plugin. Creative recipe for me. Upload using WP recipe maker. Write everything like calories, like cooking time, ingredients. Also write note, instrument, instruction. Write recipe for pizza. That's why I have to paste this prompt. Then they will give output like that. So I have to save this image. After that we have to copy this title, recipe title, and recipe short description. We can see cooking time 20 minutes, 10 minutes, prepare time 20 minutes, and cooking time 10 minutes. Also we see total time 30 minutes. Recipe servings 2 for servings, 2 pizza for servings. We have to copy this. Also we can see there is cuisine, Italian and American main courses. So I have to add this information on my website. For this first of all I have to go our WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. Now we have to click post. You can see there is all post. Already I have to turn lot of post for my website. Now I have to click add post. We can see there is we have to type our post title, right? Now I have to go to my keyboard and type Windows key and V. We can see there is a clipboard here. So we have to paste my title: hot honey garlic conflict and Boutica pizza. Now write WPRM recipe. We can see, just click on it. Now we can see there is a go button, create a new recipe or inside existing recipe. Right now I have to create a new recipe. For this I have to create new recipe. Click on it. Now select an image. Already upload this image, so I have to select this image. Select OK. You can see image here. After that you have to write this title. I have to write this title and also press Windows key and V. Then we have to write our short description. We can see there is a 2 pizza for serving and prepare time 20 minutes and cooking time 10 minutes. Also total time 30 minutes. Now we have to courses, main courses. We have to select it. Main courses also is Italian and American. Okay. Now I have to write keyword. So put keyword is pizza. I have to write pizza. Copy this and paste on here. Type Windows key and hit and press it. Then create a pizza. And equipment, I have to put equipment name, what type of equipment required this. So now I have to copy this and this. I have to copy all equipment at a time. Then I will paste it on recipe. Now I have to press on Windows key and V, then paste it. Also add one more equipment and paste it. One more, paste it, and one more, paste it, last one. So okay. Now I have to add ingredients. Now we go there and we can see for recipe base crop topping So I have to copy all ingredients at a time, one by one. Okay. Then after that, we have to go our website and have to add group, then drag it on top, then paste it. After that, you have to right paste it, then have to add one more ingredients. You can add your all ingredients like that. Also done. I have done add all ingredients. Now I have to add instruction. Well, I have one more group for ingredients right now, so I have to copy all at a time. Okay, and add ingredient group and type this item and type this and paste it. Okay, man, I have that instruction here. Instruction. So I have to copy this at a time. Now oh nice, add this, delete it, and also add belonging instruction and copy this, also paste it on here. Add, after that we have to copy this and paste it on here. Add this, okay. I have to go here, also copy and add one more section, paste it, enter. Okay, add this, done. I have to last two instruction on here, paste it, also one more. This is the last instruction for this recipe, so you have to copy it and add, done. Okay, done on it. After that we can see nutrition facts, calories. So I have to copy this and go here, add calories. Just I'll add this. We don't add more information. For this we have to add more. For this we have to buy Recipe Maker Premium, so we have to use free. For this just I will use this. Okay, then I will add note. Proteins, I will add note. Okay, copy this and paste it. Now I have done all thing to add. Right now I have to click save and close. Now we can see, boom, wow, this is our recipe. We can see these are ingredients and this is our equipment. Also note everything is shown on here, so it's look like very gorgeous. So we can click on publish, then it will publish. Okay, now we can visit how it's look like. Wow, you can see there is nice looking. So you can see there is nice looking. Wow. So I have to done to post something like that. Now if you want to hide this, we can hide this title. I think it's not required. If you record, then comment me, then I will show you how to hide this title. Also I think it's looking much better right now. So thank you to see my video start to end. So if you like this video and if you think it's informative video, please like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you. If you want to see this video on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and many more, just follow my pages and support me to create more video for you. So I think you will benefit it for this. So thank you so much. Bye. See you later.